Welcome back to our new video. So now our plan is doing hiking, and then tonight we are going to Flagstaff Garden, and then after that our plan is doing a fishing. Let's see. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Just keep watching. All these followers, see? See, that's a nice view from here. Now we are almost top of the hill, and we are going still more up and up and up. That's amazing natural beauty. Look at this view. Guys, just keep watching. There's a lot of things for watching, so many exciting things. If you skip the video, you miss the enjoyment, and you skip the video, you miss that view which you are waiting for the video. So the main thing is keep watching and keep watching. So let's enjoy the video, and I will see you in a video. Thank you. Come on guys, come on. It's just halfway. Oh my God.
Hey man! Hey! How you doing, man?
Desidera go dasta.
How are you, man?
So now we're back to home. We asked from the chef. First of all, the main chef is, what are you cooking, mate?
Well, I'm cooking a lamb curry. It's a very traditional dish from Pakistan, especially from KBK. So it's gonna take a very long time, probably 3 hours.
Oh my
It would
God.
be better if you cook it in pressure cooker first, the meat, but you don't have that facility.
Oh, we forget that things here.
Yeah, we don't have that facility, but you have to cook the meat first, so it's going to take a long time, and then we just add some garlic in it, and later on we just put some tomatoes, so it will be like just a pure meat taste with tomatoes. So
No, ask from another chef, what are you cooking?
I just cooking of chicken breast. I don't want to eat like beef and lamb.
Red meat. He
I
don't like red meat.
I just like chicken breast. I'm working on myself, maybe taking time, maybe 2 hours. The gas fire is very slow. Yes, maybe take
Old
a long
style.
time.
Yeah, that's the old
The
style.
people already hungry. They already everyone looking me this very very hungry. What can I do for these people?
See, these people are waiting already for food, yeah? Don't worry, guys, we'll be feeding you.
Then, over food.
No, 3 hours, 3 hours,
3 hours.
3 hours.
But we are gonna stop for this. Come
No,
on.
but I
quick.
got time 2 hours. I don't know from you guys.
Your
Uh,
friend's
We just wait for feeding. The main chef will be cook quick. That's the main chef. Yeah. Yeah, the second one is just he make for them. Yeah, there's no any like. We're not excited. We're not excited for that food. Yeah, we're not excited. We're not excited. So let's see what's.
Finally, here we are after almost more than 2 hours. So as you can see, it's almost ready, 95%. So the procedure was we didn't put any spices at all. We didn't put any oil either because there was enough fat in the meat. It was enough for the oil, and we didn't put any spices.
Basra dish wala. at these guys. They did a little bit walking and everyone get tired. Everyone is just lay down. Look at Sabir over there. Guys, this is the last clip of this video and last night of camping, and I hope guys you enjoy every moment, every view. So this is the last night we are here and we are going back to home. Tomorrow morning we'll be meet you in a brick pass. So thank you so much guys for watching. Keep watching and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.